Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Adrian. I'm here to show you a cocktail made from a Mexican spirit called Sotol. This cocktail, we're going to be using 2 ounces of Sotol. I'm using glande, 0.5 ounces of grapefruit juice, 0.5 ounces of lime juice, 0.5 ounces of agave nectar syrup. I'm using blue agave, 0.2 ounces of grapefruit soda. I'm using squirt. So what we're going to go ahead and do is build our cocktail. We're going to go ahead and grab our pint glass at the moment, fill it up with ice, and we're going to go ahead and place our 2 ounces of Sotol. A Paloma is traditionally made with tequila, but today I'm going to be using Sotol. I have noticed that the smoky gin-like qualities work really well with this cocktail. Our grapefruit juice, 0.5. It's okay if we get the seeds in there. We're going to go ahead and use a Hawthorne straightener to straighten that out. And I've noticed it's 4 limes to equate to 0.5 ounces of lime juice. 0.5 of our agave nectar. And I know it seems like a lot, but it's actually not. It balances out really well with the smokiness of the Sotol. We're going to place our tin with our pint glass that we've filled with ice. And we're going to shake it. We're going to place it in a rocks glass. I know typically we use a Collins glass, but I just like to have a nice big ice cube on here to showcase the cocktail with the grapefruit on it. And there you have it, a Paloma Sotol. It is very delicious, it's well-rounded, it's balanced, not too smoky and not too sweet. It's very refreshing. It's a great cocktail to have during the summers. Extremely delicious. Make sure to comment below. Let us know what you think of the Paloma Sotol. Make sure to subscribe, like, and hit the notification button above. And as always, buen provecho.